Physicists now say that time travel can be simulated using quantum entanglement. No shit. You've heard me talk about this on this channel, that time is an illusion, it's a construct of the mind, and that consciousness is much faster than this reality, and you can be anywhere at the speed of thought. Science is now catching up to this. The materialists are just now starting to unpucker their buttholes to this reality. In Einstein's theory of relativity, he talked about how there's a fabric of space-time and that it creates curvature. Similarly, how wormholes can put you into a totally different reality when you collapse the time function or the wave function. If you want to go down a further rabbit hole, you can look up the Gedanken experience, which talks about Albert Einstein's conceptual theory, now proven theory of electromagnetism, and the equation of light, that in order for the light wave to be moving parallel to his own observation, it would have to move at a specific speed. So what do I mean by this? Meaning these particles are behaving very peculiarly now based on recent studies and experiments. And the explanation for that is quantum entanglement. People like me who are in the quantum world have been talking about this for a long time, and physicists have been up in arms because they don't see the correlation. Well, here you go, boo-boo. Time is literally a mental construct of the mind. If you operate beyond it, you can be anywhere at any time at the speed of thought, because that's what consciousness is, and we are all consciousness. Consciousness has been proven to be in the brain and all around us. When you connect 2 points together through intention, information reveals itself. That's essentially what time travel is. In quantum computing, we call this a one infinity loop. It's about having closed loop systems that operate within a curve of time. Stephen Hawking didn't get this, but this study just shows that they can be simulated probabilistically by quantum teleportation circuits. Literally everything is quantum. And if you get the ick, it's your problem. The experiment we described seems impossible to solve with standard physics. Something I've been talking about for a long time. The only way to advance the boundaries of science is to unify the fields and become singular, which is what the truth of what real singularity means. The sooner we can bring consciousness into mainstream science, we're going to be able to have a very different conversation, and all of this stuff will make sense. I will leave you with this, which is what Everett said back in the 50s. Physicists and mainstream science complicate things. If they would just concede to the fact that everything is a waveform, everything would be solved.